How to stop people from adding you to groups on Instagram. After you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side, this one. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side, this menu. After you open the menu, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says this messages and reply story, this one, messages and story replies. So in this section, now tap on this where it says message again, this message, tap on it. After you tap on this message, now scroll to down and tap on this section. Here it says who can add you to groups. As you can see now, who can add you to groups, so tap on it. After you tap on this section, as you can see now it's set to everyone can be able to add you to groups, so tap on this only people you follow on Instagram. So that's it guys on how to stop people from adding you to groups on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.